delicious homemade Arabic fattoush salad and cucumber mint cooler, Iftar and Ramadan special, easy and affordable for beginners. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, a delicious homemade Arabic fattoush salad and a refreshing cucumber mint cooler. Perfect for iftar during the blessed month of Ramadan. And let's dive into these mouth-watering recipes that are not only easy but also affordable for beginners. Bismillah. Segment 1, Fattoush salad. Let's start with the star of the show, fattoush salad. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups chopped romaine lettuce. 1 cup chopped cucumber. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. Half cup radishes, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped. Half cup feta cheese, crumbled, optional. 1/4 cup olive oil. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon sumac. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Preparation steps. 1. In a large bowl, combine the romaine lettuce, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, radishes, red onion, parsley, and mint. 2. If you're a fan of creamy textures, feel free to add some crumbled feta cheese for an extra burst of flavor. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, sumac, dried oregano, salt, and pepper to create the dressing. 4. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together, ensuring each ingredient is coated with that zesty dressing. Segment 2, Cucumber Mint Cooler. Now, let's cool things down with a refreshing cucumber mint cooler. Here's what you'll need. 2 cucumbers, peeled and sliced. 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 cups cold water. Ice cubes. Let's jump into the preparation. Preparation steps. 1. In a blender, combine sliced cucumbers, fresh mint leaves, honey, and lemon juice. 2. Blend the ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. 3. Add cold water to the blender and blend again for a few seconds. 4. Strain the mixture to remove any pulp, leaving you with a refreshing cucumber mint juice. 5. Pour the juice into glasses over ice cubes, and your cucumber mint cooler is ready to beat the heat. Segment 3, Presentation and Serving. Now that both our fattoush salad and cucumber mint cooler are ready, let's plate them up. Plating steps. 1. Place a generous portion of fattoush salad on a plate, ensuring you get a colorful mix of veggies in every bite. 2. Garnish the salad with a sprinkle of extra mint for a burst of freshness. 3. Serve the cucumber mint cooler alongside the fattoush salad for a complete and satisfying iftar meal. And there you have it, a delicious and affordable homemade fattoush salad paired with a refreshing cucumber mint cooler. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Perfect for your iftar during the holy month of Ramadan. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.